Hi all, welcome to our new video. Step into a new era of hospitality with the C Hospitality Management System from CONCLO Technologies, making your hotel experience smarter, faster and more personal than ever before. From membership management to smart room booking, automated food ordering, and effortless checkouts, our system eliminates delays, paperwork, and repetitive tasks. Whether you're a guest like Adam, a staff member like Bella, or a hotel owner, C Hospitality brings you a single seamless platform to handle it all. Let's walk you through the real-life journey of a guest, from becoming a member to final checkout, and see how technology makes it all smooth, secure, and super efficient. Meet Adam. He's interested in a platinum membership at CONCLO Grand Palace. He fills out a simple online form on the website and submits his request with his details. Behind the scenes, a new membership record is instantly created, neatly logged in Salesforce. Now meet Bella James, the front office admin at CONCLO Hotels. Bella logs in, checks Adam's request. With one click, she approves the membership, and automatically, a personalized membership is generated and sent to Adam via email. While Adam reviews the membership email, Bella contacts him personally to gather additional details needed for activation. Once Adam completes the payment, Bella marks the invoice as paid. In that moment, the system springs into action. Adam's membership is activated. A unique membership code is generated, and his personalized membership card is auto-created. No delay, no confusion. Just smooth processing from start to finish. So you've just seen how Adam became a platinum member at the CONCLO Grand Palace Hotel. Now let's see how Adam uses his membership privileges to book a room effortlessly. And remember, even non-members can book rooms through our smart user-friendly experience site. Adam is planning to stay in Los Angeles. From the C Hospitality site, he simply selects the Los Angeles location, chooses check-in and check-out dates and clicks search hotels. Great. Adam spots the hotel on the list and selects it. Now comes the room selection. He's unsure which room type to choose, deluxe, premium or luxury. No worries, he clicks view additional details on each option. A smart pop-up shows room features, photos, amenities and details in real time. Adam decides to go with the deluxe room. Next he chooses the occupancy, explores add-ons like early check-in, breakfast or other policies that are applicable for the room. But Adam is on a budget, so he sticks with basic occupancy. He instantly sees a complete price breakdown of room rent, taxes, and fees. Now it's time to fill in guest details. But wait, Adam is a platinum member at the hotel, so he simply checks, "Are you an existing customer?" He enters his verified email, and boom, his details autofill the form. Then he checks the "Are you a member?" box. His active platinum membership code is auto-mapped, and with one click on apply, the exclusive member discount is instantly added. Adam now has clear visibility of the updated pricing, with all benefits applied. Everything looks good. Adam clicks submit booking. To ensure secure and verified bookings, an OTP is sent to his email. He enters the OTP, and within seconds, his room booking is confirmed, and the mapped room status changes to occupied. No hassles, no confusion, no repetitive data entry. A few days later, Adam arrives at the hotel. At the front desk, Bella verifies his ID and booking and updates his status to checked in on the system. Instantly, Adam receives an email confirmation with his room number, check-in details, and hotel contact information. Welcome to a smarter hospitality experience. Adam heads to his room, but after his journey, he's craving something delicious. Now watch how Adam skips the calls, menus and waiting, and gets what he needs in seconds. From the CONCLO Hospitality site, Adam triggers the smart guest bot, and selects Order Food. The bot asks for his email to verify his stay and booking. Once verified, the restaurant menu appears, real-time availability included. Adam chooses the hot wings and dip combo, selects the portion size and quantity. Within seconds, the food order is created and queued in the kitchen, all without a single phone call. No waiting, no miscommunication, just comfort on command. Now Adam remembers, he has laundry to take care of. No need to dial reception or visit the desk. He simply goes back to the bot, selects Request Laundry Service, enters the service required dates and details, and boom, a service request is logged and queued for pickup. Everything is synced with his booking, and he gets notified instantly. Days have passed, and now it's checkout time for Adam at the hotel. But instead of chaos and delays, everything is streamlined. Across the hotel, respective departments, like room service and kitchen, have already logged Adam's food orders and services. No chasing down notes, no manual bill summaries. Bella verifies Adam's details and updates his status to checked out. Instantly, Adam receives an email confirmation with his checkout timestamp. A new invoice is auto-generated, including room rent, taxes, food orders and service charges. Bella hits Generate PDF, and within seconds the full breakdown is emailed to Adam. From check-in to check-out, C Hospitality Management System ensures nothing is missed, no time is wasted, and every guest walks out happy and informed. This is more than hotel software, it's smart hospitality made simple.
Drop a comment below or reach out to us if you're interested in a demo of our product. Looking forward to connecting with you all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay innovative.